Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just me packaging up some die cuts. This year I was able to use so many dies that I've had in my stash that I haven't had time to use. So I finally got to play with them, whether they're new release or old dies or stuff I just hauled from Ali. So anyway, I am in a group swap and we had to make die cuts, like layered die cuts, not embellished, but layered basically. This is what I came up with. So this is the new kit. It's probably going to blind you with this reflective. Clearly I don't have any other silver, like a matte silver. So I'd use this like mirror cardstock. I'll try to angle it. But it's the KS Craft mini album baking sheet. And I did the Michaels acetate, that pink, like thin acetate. I just stitched, 3 of the corners. And then I did die cuts and stitched it across because I don't trust thickers. They always come up and pop off and stuff like that. I'm going to house it in that. And I did the KS Craft. These are the little, they're so dainty. I need to do what Andrea did. She did like a foam, like a thick poster board or something. But I did the little cupcake, and then I used that new, like, what's it called? Flocked sticker stuff for the top of the cupcake. It just looks so cute. The little oven mitts, the little apron, and then the little, like, chef's hat thingy. And I have to strategically lay these where they're going to go because the stuff won't fit. Next is this. I'm pretty sure this is a KS Craft old, it's like a box die. But I just was doing, because it has to be baking theme, so I just did this, and I used that new paper collection from Michaels called Sprinkle Shop. So it has like sugar cookies on it. I just glued the corner of the pocket so that pieces can go in, and I just cut this. This is from Ali. They're a bunch of like utensils, and these are the ones that cut nicely, so it's like random: a spatula, a butter knife, and a cookie sheet. But to show that you could pop something underneath this tab, I didn't glue it down. So there's that. I gotta layer these up right here so they don't bulge in my pocket. That is so thin, and I wasn't thinking. Next, the KS Craft. This is the cutting board from a couple of years ago. So you could do cooked with love or baked with love, and so I did baked. And then I did add this little whisk. That's from this set right here. I just added that, but the heart, the words, the bow, and the actual board come with the KS Craft die. And I did add some ink, kind of like I would have a gingerbread. Just, how cutting boards, they're, especially wood ones, they're definitely made with love. Next, this one, again, is from AliExpress. I've never played with it before. It is a cute, like, little sitting chef gingerbread. He's absolutely adorable. There was a piece right here, and I don't know if I was supposed to glue it on. I wanted to go back. I did use some, like, chalk stuff for his cheeks, the eyes, and then I didn't know if I should put jelly roll on his eyebrow, or I did the mouth, but I was too scared. And this piece, it comes and these lines are not embossed. They're straight up cut lines. So everything, like his arms were flailing, the bottom of his feet, his head. So I just did 2 layers, and I put a bunch of glue in between the layers and kind of like hoped that it kept it sturdy, and it did. And then again, they didn't do the shape of his hat plus the body. So the hat was super flimsy. So I had to cut that out in 110 and then in glitter, and it has a slit in it. So I tucked his head in so the hat sits like really crooked. So cute. So cute. Love this little guy. Oh. And then the hat does have a bunch of embossing, but I cut it out in glitter at the top because I layered it twice. And I put some foam in between, but that's too, I need something in between color wise. And then this I just hauled from AliExpress. Falala. I did some gingerbread houses and that paper collection. It is just a pretty die, you guys. Okay, so let's do like this. Strategically placing stuff, like I said, because there's not going to be any room in this pocket. Okay, and then next is an old KS Craft. She had 2 different ones. One's a bigger one, and then this one's a smaller one in a different pattern. There did come a piece to line the bottom of the dress in a different color. I could have did gold right here, but I just left it. I did use that peppermint page from that paper. The gorgeous shimmer cardstock that's in red. I bought these single sheets from Cherry on Top when they did free shipping. Just cut it out in 110. It's very sturdy. Okay, so one of those. And then I did use a My Creative Time bowl. I think this is the medium size. I have the small size and the medium size. I don't think I have the large. Medium size and up comes with the heart-shaped whisk. And I tucked the whisk inside the bowl but it looked funny because I'm like, well, I want to show the heart part, and obviously you don't stick the stick part in the bowl, so it just looks silly. And then I did go ahead and layer this and cut one of the bowl, so the inside of the bowl is a different color. And it is a slit, so you could pop like a little character hanging out, or, you know, something, food, I don't know. It's an oldie but goodie. This is an old KS Craft die, or maybe a Lena Craft. I can't remember, but it says baked with love. You can make this a shaker, but these are just die cuts, supposed to be die cuts. Then I cut and layered the spoon, or the spatula, I should say. Again, who's using a spatula in a bowl? It should be a spoon or a whisk or something, but cut it out in glitter, super cute still. And then I did do a bunch of other colors. Look how cute these are, but these don't go, I didn't realize, I forgot what collection I was using. I mean, technically I could do red, but this die is just so fun. I love the stitching, the font, everything. So those are extras in like red and green. Do a little pocket. Oh my gosh, this is so thick. Uh-oh, I'm gonna have to, I think I have to do the bowl sideways, so let's put him in the back. Because, yeah. Uh-oh, come on, guys. These guys, again, are so dainty. I don't want to rip them. It's like the apron is on the gingerbread. Okay, push some of the tag ones down and in. And he is so cute. He can kind of just hang out. So there you go. See, it made it a little bit thick, but they're so jammed in there that I don't even think in transit these will pop out. I will put these in a clear bag, just in case. And I could have sworn I had baking themed like charms. So I'm gonna hole punch this and dangle like a little, I don't know, a tassel with a charm, if I can find the charms. Yeah, super cute, right? I just gotta add some more dies to this one. But yeah, that is my project shirt, and I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye, guys.